Hey, this message is for Charles Trippy. Saw the news today on your vlog. I hope you feel better, buddy. Just wanted to let you know there's a hospital system here in Cleveland called the Cleveland Clinic, and they have a satellite down in Florida, actually down in the Fort Lauderdale area. Just hey, keep up the good work. It's awesome that Danny and Travis were there for you when that happened. Uh, you know, keep it up, man. I know you can. You're a soldier. You're strong. You can fight through this. Peace on the streets in Cleveland.